Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, so today we're tackling something every vehicle owner needs, but let's be honest, kind of dreads auto repair. But what if that whole experience was completely transformed? We're diving into the customer first workflow over at Tucson Hybrids. You'll probably recognize them by their prominent red branding, and that color really reflects their core mission. They aren't just a typical repair shop, they're genuinely an educational preventative maintenance partner for your hybrid or electric vehicle. So let's walk through exactly what you can expect when you trust them with your car. Welcome to their home base, right at 8051 E Lakeside Parkway, Suite 108. From the very second you arrive, their absolute main goal is building long-term trust with you. They want to be the team that really helps you understand your highly complex hybrid or EV. Think of them as your reliable, ongoing, regular maintenance shop, not just that place you panic call when a scary dashboard warning light suddenly pops on. All right, here's our roadmap for today. We'll be covering 1. The check-in workflow, 2. The digital inspection, 3. The educational review, 4. Common customer questions, and 5. Financing and rewards. Section 1. The check-in workflow, from appointment to drop-off. This workflow is designed to be completely seamless for you. So, step 1, right after your appointment is scheduled, you'll get a handy text and email reminder. Simple enough. Then, step 2, you're sent a digital authorization link. Now, this is super important. You actually have to sign this link prior to any testing. It literally gives the technician the green light to properly evaluate your vehicle. And finally, step 3 is the actual vehicle drop-off. You just park right out front and step into the front office to check in. No awkwardly wandering around a back garage trying to find someone. And, before you even arrive, you're going to receive a confirmation text from them. It respectfully asks you to remove your personal items from the vehicle, including the trunk. Why do they do this? Well, it simply allows their team to safely and thoroughly inspect every single inch of your car without disturbing any of your personal stuff. It's a really small detail, sure, but it honestly speaks volumes about how much they respect your property. Moving on to Section 2, Digital Inspection and Testing, Facts, not guesses. So rather than just handing you a blank piece of paper with a random price scribbled on it, their specialized technician actually tests and extensively photographs your vehicle's components. Instead of some generic description, you get hard documentation. For instance, a clear photo of a heavily leaking driver's side strut. By capturing the exact health of your specific vehicle, they prove the date for the repair. You literally get to see exactly what the technician is seeing. The real game changer here is how all this info is organized for you. The technician categorizes every single system into a super easy to understand green, yellow, and red grading system. Green means excellent, you're good to go. Yellow means moderate. So say your cabin air filter is showing some dust buildup and you need to plan for it soon. And red, that means failing. Like a 12-volt battery dropping way below its necessary voltage that needs immediate replacement. This grading just makes it so easy to prioritize both your safety and your budget. Section 3, Reviewing your digital estimate. Complete transparency. The best part? You don't have to wait around the lobby. You receive this incredibly comprehensive digital report sent right to your phone via a link or a PDF. It's fully loaded with those inspection photos we just talked about, direct notes from the technician, and fully itemized repair options. But my absolute favorite part is that it includes customer education sections. It actually explains why a repair matters, like explaining exactly why high-voltage hybrid cooling systems need very specific maintenance to prevent corrosion in the inverter. Once you actually have the estimate in hand, a service writer will call to walk through it with you. And here's the thing, you are in complete control. You can easily just check to approve certain repairs or decline others right there from your phone. Zero high-pressure sales tactics, you're just empowered to make confident decisions about your own car. Section 4, Common Customer Questions, Addressing Your Concerns. Now, if you're a new customer, you might still have a few reservations. Totally natural. A really common concern we hear is, hey, why do I need another inspection if I already had one at another shop? And it's a completely fair question. You probably feel like you already know what's wrong. But here is the straightforward answer. It's because they're hybrid and EV specialists. A quick inspection from a standard shop might completely miss the incredibly complex electrical systems in your car. Their technician must perform highly specific testing and documentation to guarantee they aren't missing any critical, specialized safety or electrical concerns. They just really need to verify the vehicle's current condition themselves to safely recommend any kind of repair. Another really pressing question you might be wondering is, why can't you guys just give me an estimate over the phone? Well, they respectfully decline to provide blind price quotes over the phone for unseen issues, and their reasoning perfectly explains why. It's simply unsafe and frankly unfair to your wallet. An accurate estimate is literally impossible until the technician physically tests and verifies the problem. Just guessing over the phone, that leads to wrong expectations, missed safety concerns, and incomplete repairs. Finally, Section 5, Financing and Rewards, taking care of you. We all know that sometimes essential maintenance or those unexpected repairs can be a real stretch on the budget. So, to help you manage larger maintenance needs, they actually offer some excellent deferred financing options. You can use Synchrony for a 6-month deferred payment plan, or you can choose Easy Pay or Snap, which both offer 90 days of deferred payments. The whole point is to make sure you can get back on the road safely without all that financial stress. And on top of that, they really want to reward you for trusting them. They invite you to track your vehicle's service history in a cool portal called My Garage and join their My Rewards program. It is just their way of saying a massive thank you for your loyalty and officially welcoming you to the Tucson Hybrids family. Plus, earning those rewards is wonderfully simple. The math is easy. Every single dollar you spend earns 1 point, and every 100 points equals a $1 reward towards your future visits. It's just one more way they prove they really want to be your long-term maintenance partner. So, thinking about everything we've covered today, how is your next trip to the shop going to stack up against this standard of transparency? Thank you for joining us on this explainer, and we looking forward for you making Tucson Hybrids your ongoing regular auto repair shop.